yan, sabi ko, I have to work out, increase humility at saka being patient. And then si President Cabrera naman ng Davao Temple, sabi niya, same as yours. So pareho kami na na i-workout namin yung increase humility and be patient. So
Yeah. Tama 'yon. May kanya-kanyang siguro tayo. When
no,
we say increase humility, we know our weaknesses and we know our families or loved ones alam nila yung weaknesses natin. So kung yan mo, kung saan aspeto ng humility ang is siguro nga yung controlling more yung temper, di ba?
yes, correct.
Like sa akin kasi yung minsan meron akong tawag nila volcanic temper eh. Very quiet, very calm. Tas later on pag merong in the moment, mga petty lang ba?